Get that package open. Get that package open. You want that out of here? You look so cute wrapped up in a Playboy blanket. Yeah. You gonna get that open or you gonna give up? Hmm? You gonna get this open? Open that. Get that open. There you go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it open. Rip that package open. What are you doing? Come on. There you go. You got a good piece. Don't put it in your mouth. No, not in the mouth. Open the... Oh, you forget that. You just wanted the paper, huh? Babies. They love the littlest things you give them. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Forget the present, man. The paper rocks. Forget the present. I love the box. He's totally content with a little piece of ripped up wrapping paper. What are you doing with your foot, man? Are you going to open the rest of this? Are you going to open the rest of this? Come on, get the rest of it open. Come on, son. What Grammy sent you? There. What are they? Ooh, they're onesies. 24 months. Those are cute. Look at how cute. Little Rocky. What do you think? Oh yeah, that was a workout? Was that a workout? Huh? You like that paper? You like that paper? Huh? You want to open the other one or wait till later? Huh, little boy? What do you think? What about the Tickle Me Elmo? Sammy sent you this too. What do you think about this, son? What do you think about Tickle Me Elmo?
That tickles. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, that tickles.
What do you think about that?
Oh, boy, that tickles. Oh, boy, that tickles.
What do you think, buddy? You say Merry Christmas? Say Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I want the camera! I want your camera! Goggle. Give us a goggle. Goggle. Okay, wait, bye.